Okay, we're taking a look at the Capital Connoisseurian line, and this was a company originally brought on by the creator of DCS, who later sold that brand, came back to market with Capital, and now this company has merged with Alfresco. So we're just taking a look at their Connoisseurian line. You're going to notice that you can get a griddle. This is 3/8 thick, doesn't need to be seasoned. You do need to order these with a griddle or a barbecue section in advance. They're not interchangeable. You're going to notice that each one of these burners on top of this thing is 25,000 BTUs. And the reason you don't see smaller burners is that each one of these burners is capable of a simmer as well as that full 25,000 BTU output. 94 little output injectors of heat working all at once to create this flame, and every burner is capable of a real simmer. So gone are the days of needing a smaller burner to achieve that simmer. As we take a look at the oven chambers, you have two completely separate chambers for versatility. These racks are very easy to remove. You're also going to notice that this unit is outfitted with internal light and a rotisserie system. So we have that versatility. On the Connoisseurian, we have a bake mode, we have a broil mode, we have a roast mode, and convection and probe. Broil system involves this heated element here getting up to a searing temperature, and it can do that in just 12 seconds. Because they use a glass surface, you can get that heat up to its full temperature within 12 seconds. On ovens that feature a metal on the top and bottom, it takes much longer to get up to those temperatures. You're also going to notice that this oven chamber can fit these three sizes of baking pans, the largest of which is just a full-blown commercial size pan that can fit in this unit. As we take a look at the bottom of this oven, it's actually also glass, and it's got a heating element as well. Now, as we all know, electric ovens do the best with convection, but also typically they're a very dry environment, and Capital has solved that as well because they've involved this water system. So we're going to add water into this, and it's going to create a moist environment inside this oven chamber. As we study the knobs on this Capital, they do heavy duty engraving, so those etchings are never going to rub off over time. As we take a look at these removable pans, they will collect the grease so you can continually clean this oven. Okay, so now's the fun part. We get to take a look at all the different models in their different widths. It starts out really simple, as the 30-inch models in Capital are just only 4 burners, and you have your choice of open burner or sealed burner in natural gas or propane. As we get to the 36, you see we have a lot more to choose from. We have 6 open burner models in propane, 6 open burner model in natural gas. You then step up to 6 sealed burners in propane or natural gas. Then we have combination units. So we have 4 open burner with a griddle in propane, 4 open burner with a griddle in natural gas. You have those same options with the sealed burners, deciding on natural gas or propane. Then we have the COB362G2L. That's 4 burners with a grill and propane. Then we have 4 open burners with a grill in the natural gas variety. The last 2 down here at the bottom, sealed burners with a grill in the propane and sealed burners with a grill in natural gas. Now we're moving up to the 48-inch wide models. Notice now that some of these sections for the griddle are going to be double wide, 24 inches wide. So you have that variety mixed in. So we're starting with the COB488L. It's just open burners and propane or natural gas. Below that, you have sealed burners, propane or natural gas. Then we get into the combo grills, COB484BGL, 6 open burners with a grill in propane, 6 open burners with a grill and natural gas. Below that, we have a griddle grill combination with 4 open burners. Then moving down to the CSB484G2L, 6 sealed burners with a grill combination and propane. Get that same unit in natural gas. Now we have the CSB484GGN, 4 sealed burners with a double wide, 24-inch wide griddle in natural gas. Below that, we're looking at, again, griddle and grill combinations with 4 open burners and 4 sealed burners with the griddle and grill combination. Now we move on up to the biggest of the connoisseurians, the 60-inch models, and you will see all kinds of variety here. So starting at the top, we have a 6 open burners, 24-inch griddle in propane. We have 6 open burners, 24-inch griddle in natural gas. We have 6 open burners, grill in propane. We have 8 open burners, 12-inch grill in propane. 8 open burners, 12-inch griddle in natural gas. Now we get into the 24-inch griddles. So we have a 6 sealed burners with 24-inch griddle in propane, 6 sealed burners, 24-inch griddle in natural gas. Now we get some wok options here for the first time. So only on the 60-inch models are we seeing woks available. So when you look at the CSB366WWL, that's a 6 sealed burners and a double wide 24-inch wide wok in propane. Below that, 24-inch wide wok in natural gas. Dropping below those, we're moving back into 8 open burners with a 12-inch grill. So you're getting just a single section barbecue grill. At the very bottom, we have 2 combinations here. We have the CSB362G2L, that's 6 sealed burners with a 12-inch grill in propane. Then we have the CSB484BGL 6 sealed burners, griddle and grill in natural gas combo units. So what you're going to want to do is push the button on the upper right-hand corner of this video. It'll take you to our support portal. We are awaiting your emails on questions. We can quote you cost, availability, lead time. Some of these items we have in stock, some we need to order from Capital, but we can quote you on that. Feel free to reach out to us. We are awaiting your messages. Thank you.